Hello and welcome to our video series in which we will explain how to use BuyChemJapan.com. In this video I will take you step by step through signing up and signing in to our website. This screen is our main page on which you can find a brief description of what our website can do for you and a message from our CEO Mr. Masa Eguchi. On the right side of the header you can see two buttons, Free Sign Up on the left and Sign In on the right. Our first step is to sign up, so please click on the Sign Up button. This takes you through to the account registration page. Simply enter your email address. For security reasons, we recommend a business email address rather than a private one, and click Send. You will receive an email at the account which you have entered containing a confirmation link. This link is only valid for 24 hours, so make sure that you click it within that time frame. You're now through to the account registration page, where you need to confirm a few additional pieces of information. Firstly, you need to enter the type of email address from a list of 4 types. We entered a business email address in our example, so let's select that box. Then, you need to set your password. For our website, your password must be 12 characters or more and include uppercase and lowercase letters and numeric symbols. If these terms aren't met, you will be asked to re-enter the password. Once an acceptable password has been entered, re-enter it in the confirmation box underneath. Next, we ask that you enter in your details, including your name, job title, company name, and job role. In the case of the Job Role tab, you can make your choice from a range of options in the drop-down window. Finally, select your time zone. You can either scroll through the list freely to find your country, or you can save time by entering the name into the text box. With all this information entered, all that is left is to check the box to show that you agree to our terms of use and privacy policy. Now you can click the blue Register button to complete your registration and then click Start to begin using the website immediately. When you need to sign into the website in the future, go back to the header on the main page and click on the Sign In button on the far right of the page. Simply enter in your email address and password and you'll be taken straight through to the service page. You're now all signed up, signed in and ready to take advantage of the service we have to offer. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and please check out the other videos in this series to ensure that you have the best possible experience when using our website. Thank you for your interest in BuyChemJapan.com and see you in the next video.